Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can request your data on TikTok. So let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open TikTok app in your device. Then tap on profile icon. After that, tap on three lines icon. Then tap on settings and privacy. Next, tap on account. After that, tap on download your data. Then select the file format which you want. After that, tap on request data. So this is how you can request your data on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.